Hey, how you guys doing? I'm bartender John Armandi, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a Virgin Jalapeno Margarita today. Now, mocktails are getting a lot more popular right now. Gary Vaynerchuk has been talking about how the market of mocktails is really expanding right now. A lot of people are real health conscious and they're not drinking. And maybe they want to participate in the party and the fun and still feel like they're having a good time, so a mocktail is a great way. So I've got 3 jalapeno slices right here. I'm going to put a slit in one of them for our garnishes. I got a lime wedge right here with a slit in it for garnishes. I got 2 jalapeno slices. I'm going to slit my lime in the middle. I already got a lime cut in half. I'm going to cut my ends off my lime. And give myself a nice big lime wedge. So I got a lime wedge like that, 2 jalapeno slices. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to muddle those ingredients together. So the lime juice is going to break down the jalapeno and release those jalapeno oils. Give it a good muddle. Okay, so I'm going to take those ingredients, I'm going to throw them into my shaker. I got a cup of ice right here, and I'm just going to use this cup of ice to start measuring out my ingredients. Now you could use limeade, you can use margarita mix. I'm going to use limeade today. So, going to fill that up to about 2/3 of the way in the cup with the ice. Splash of orange juice. We have the finest call non-alcoholic triple sec. You can get this on Amazon. I'm going to put the Amazon link. Splash of that. Now we're going to put all those ingredients into our shaker. Take my pint glass. Give it a nice big shake. Really shake those ingredients up. Now I want to put that aside for a second. I have Lava Jalapeno Citrus Salt. You can get this on Amazon too. Got my Amazon affiliates link and the YouTube video. Gonna take a big spoonful of the jalapeno sea salt. Gonna take my lime garnish, run around my glass, that lime juice on there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick up that jalapeno sea salt with my glass, get it nice and coated all the way around. One last shake. I'm gonna pour my ingredients into my glass. Now, since we're not using any tequila today, our substitute non-alcoholic mix, whatever you want to call it, a little splash of club soda. Gonna garnish with a lime wedge and a jalapeno wedge. Cheers. The Virgin Jalapeno Margarita. That's good. Cheers, guys.